Does your Outlook suddenly start crashing non-stop after you install a recent update? In some devices, updates can be more harmful than good, causing Outlook to freeze, crash on startup, or shut down randomly while you're working. To fix it first, you should try to restart your computer to see if it helps. Also, in this video, I'm sharing real tested solution that have helped users get their Outlook stable again after problematic updates. And if these fixes don't work for you, our support team is ready to assist you at any time. You just have to call at the numbers on the screen. Now, let's get started and fix your Outlook crashing issue right away. Method 1. Close Outlook completely and open it. Close Outlook by clicking on the X icon if it is freezing while using. Next, you should open the Task Manager on your computer. After that, make sure you're on the Processes tab and look for the Outlook option. Right-click on the Outlook option and then choose the End Task option. Reopen Outlook and see if the problem still persists. If the first solution is unable to fix your Outlook issue, then try to open your Outlook in the safe mode. And if you're facing any other issue in your email, then tell us in the comments. Method 2. Open Outlook in safe mode. Alright, click on the Start menu, search for Run and open it up. When the Run command box appears, type outlook.exe/safe into the field and hit OK. A confirmation box will pop up. Just click OK and see if the Outlook opens without crashing now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.